Here we go, silver and gold. Let's get into it, folks. Please like, share, and subscribe. We're about 12 subscribers away from 5,700 subscribers, so I need some help here before the end of the month is up. If you're not yet subscribed, please come join us. We're going to keep you up to date what's going on with silver, gold, and platinum. Guys, this has been a crazy day. Gold's at all-time new high, 3,071 and change. Gold has hit a 52-week high in the futures market at 35.26 and counting. I think it actually ticked up to 27 right before I record this video. What's going on at the shop? I'm going to tell you. You see a pile of $half on your screen. Currently, they're melting for $12.47 each. Let me stop right there for a moment. Now, as I look back to my stack, some of these I got for $10. Some of these I got for $9.50. Some of these I got for a little bit cheaper. Yes, I found a deal one day. The girl was on eBay. She had them for starting roll bids for 99 cents. She had two different rolls of Franklin halves. I've told this story before, but I think it's worth saying again. And some people will criticize me because they think I ripped her off. Well, I'm going to explain about that. She had them for 99 cents. I made an offer. $100 a roll. It was free shipping. She took the offer. She shipped them. Okay? She accepted the offer. I paid. She shipped. Okay? They were worth, probably at the time, double value. About $200 a roll. People are going to say I ripped her off. No. I made an offer. She didn't have to accept the offer. So I got the coins in the mail. A couple days after I received them, she messaged me through eBay. I want my coins back. And I said, well, sorry, I'm not shipping the coins back. The coins are no longer yours. She said, I'm gonna call eBay. Well, call eBay. Well, I called eBay, my folks, so to make sure I was in the right. eBay says, you got nothing to worry about. She accepted the offer. She shipped them. Deal's over with. Some people in the past have said, oh, I ripped her off. No, I made her an offer. She didn't have to accept the offer. If you're going to put something online, know what you're selling for, one thing. Folks, sometimes it gets crazy out there in the marketplace. Don't be afraid of putting in an offer, because you never know if someone's going to accept that offer. It don't happen a lot, I can tell you that, especially now. This is when silver was a lot cheaper though too. People are waking up, they're coming in now to the shop. The guy came in with the dimes again today. He sold us $40 face. Guess what? They're gone again. He said, Chris, he said to me again today, thank you for explaining to me the cost average to sell them back. Because he said, if I would have sold yesterday, I would have got $1.50 less a roll. It may not sound like a lot, folks, but $1.50 here, $1.50 here, it adds up. He didn't sell a lot. He didn't gain that much more. Look, he's selling for a reason though. He's going to be buying a house. He don't have a house yet. I commend the guy for what he's done. He's got these dimes for 3 to 5 times face. He bought one baguette of 1,000 face at 3 times face. He got another bag at 3.5 times face. And he got another bag at 5 times face. He's done well. No matter what the price, he's done well. Even if silver dipped down $3-4 more, which I don't think it's going to dip down, he's done very well for himself. So people are coming in and they're buying it, folks. They're in panic mode. There's no way to cut the cheese about it. I'm not trying to drive panic at all. Just 2 days ago, I did a video on the silver squeeze. The thumbnail is 331.25. I said in that video, Don't wait for a silver squeeze. Don't wait for a Pacific day. The price could rise. Here we are today. Silver's up. Very good today. So if you were one of those people who are waiting for the silver squeeze, or you're paying more if you waited for that, it's not even Monday yet. What's going to happen the rest of the week? Folks, I can't tell you that, all right? I can't tell you what's going to happen tomorrow or Monday with the prices. I said don't go in with the silver. If you have to buy on the 31st, if that's going to be your day to buy, I said, then buy. But these silver squeezes never work. And did I know the price was going to go up? Absolutely not. But I kind of warned it could go up. And I'm not trying to rub it in. I just see this stuff, folks. I've seen this before where people panic and they buy too much and then they come around and have to sell it. That is why I'm a big advocate of cost averaging your stack on days like this. I've searched eBay today. I didn't find anything on eBay today. Will that happen later on tonight? Maybe. You know, did I buy anything from online? Not today. Did I buy anything from the coin shop? Not today. Right now, those 40% silver halves are melting for $5.10. We're still selling below melt now. We're keeping our prices until they start melting for $5.50 or more. Once they go to $5.51, we're jumping up 50 cents. But as right now, we're riding. Shop on this is to let them ride to $5.50, then raise the price. 50 cents over melt. We got them all at a good deal, folks. People now see they're under melt. We're selling them under melt. We're not raising these. People ask them, why you. Look, we don't need to raise the prices on that. Our owner's been collecting these for years. Nobody wanted them. Now people want them. Because now we're selling them for under melt. And it's been going on since about 475. People saying, you're not that much over melt. Go ahead and give me a tube. $100, folks. $100. I remember selling these on eBay for $35 a roll. Now they're $100 a roll. I remember selling silver dimes back in 2007 for $55, $60 a roll. What are silver dimes today? Well, I can tell you we're at $130, $150 at the shop. I didn't check sponsor Pimbex today for their price. I'm going to be totally honest. I didn't do that. Check Pimbex out, folks. Let them know that coin shop Chris sent you. A lot of times they get the best prices. What you're going to get from Pimbex is the best customer service out there. For one, call them up. Talk to Michael O'Brien. If you get something different than Michael O'Brien, and if you want to talk to Michael O'Brien, ask whoever you talk to, can Michael O'Brien call you back? And they surely will call you back. But most of the time, you are going to be talking to Michael O'Brien, the owners of the company. So thank you, Pimbex, for doing the right thing for your customers. Thank you for keeping your prices very competitive, if not the best in the area online. That's all I can say, folks. I mean, check them out yourselves. I've heard nothing but good reviews from you guys in my emails, in the comment sections. Look at their reviews online, folks. A+ rating from the BBB, Better Business Bureau. What more can you ask for? What more can you ask for? Thank you, Pimbex. Once again, thank you to the viewer out there who's watching, because it's not possible without you. Somebody, either in yesterday's video or the day before, said the U.S. debt clock put out how much the dollar has lost since it's got created in 1913. Well, according to the U.S. debt clock, the dollar has lost 96.23% of value. That's right, 96.23% of value, and we all know why. We keep spending money. Our government keeps spending money like crazy. It's not slowing down, folks. The U.S. debt is out of control. You know, we heard that President Trump wants to are out at Fort Knox, but that seems like it's gone off in the wind somewhere. We don't hear no more about that. Is that going to happen? I don't know. I hope it does. Is the gold really there? Who knows at this point? Just saying, folks, 96.23%. It's just not, you know, people want to buy these meme coins, Bitcoin, put it into CDs, whatever. It's backed by the dollar. What happens when the dollar goes away? What's going to happen to these meme coins, Bitcoin, stocks, everything else? Physical silver, physical gold. If we get our heads wrapped around, if we can get our heads, and it's hard even for me to do, and it's kind of hard to explain. But think about it this way. What are you willing to give up? What are you willing to give up a $50 for service and goods? You know the melt value right now is $12.47 in dollar terms. That's just the melt value. Yeah, you might get the melt value, but we got to get our heads out of the dollar. What happens if everything was priced in grams of silver? Well, then what? That day might be coming, folks. I'm not saying that's going to happen tomorrow, 3 years from now. But what if it really does happen that way? You know, digital is not going to work when the power goes out. I mean, are you going to, if you have a business, are you going to want to take this meme coin, that meme coin, Bitcoin? Really, it's backed by what? It's not physical. It's digits on the screen. Well, let's just go on to what silver has done year to date. I got to keep pushing this because we've had a huge day today as a recording of this video. Year to date for silver is up $6.09, or up 20.82%. Gold is up $428 even, up 16.21%. The so-called digital gold, Bitcoin, year to date, since the beginning of the year, is still down $7,037.39, or down 7.45%, folks. What's outperforming it all? Silver. Last June, when I started this channel, I said silver was going to outperform gold. I was right. I didn't talk about Bitcoin back then. I didn't talk about meme coins back then. I didn't really understand Bitcoin back then. I still really don't understand Bitcoin now. But when I see it, people want to say if this is a new digital gold. Well, it's not trading like gold. It's trading like the stock market. Remember, your 90% halves are melting for $12.47. Your silver dimes are melting for about $2.49, excuse me. $2.49 a dime. Silver quarters, just take half of what half dollars for, about $6.20 or so, for $6.23 for a silver quarter, folks. A war nickel is melting for $1.93. That's up 3 cents from yesterday. You know, I just don't know how much more to talk about this. And it's trying sometimes, I'll be honest with you, and trying to not try to convince anybody to buy silver, gold, platinum. Not telling you not to buy Bitcoin, not telling you to buy meme coins. If that's what you want to do, go buy them. I wish you the best. I hope you make a fortune. But what are you going to do with the cash? What are you going to do when the power goes out? I can get stuff. No matter what the situation we're in, we can all get stuff with silver and gold if the stuff's out there. That's the key point there too. The items available, if someone wants to take silver, gold as buttable goods, more people are going to fall back to this. They're not going to have their registers program to take this meme coin, that meme coin, Bitcoin, blah, 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 blah. It's a lot easier to program silver and gold into the registers. How are you supposed to trade meme coins anyways from peer to peer? Bitcoin, yeah, you can do that. That's all I'm saying, folks. If you folks have any questions about silver, gold, or platinum, my email is always in the description of every single video. This is a great day for silver. This is a great day for gold. Yes, I expect higher numbers. Are we going to see a pullback? Most likely, yes. How much of a pullback? I don't think it's going to be much, folks. That's just my personal opinion. And even if we do see a little bit of a hefty pullback, who really cares? We can just get more silver, more gold, with less fiat dollars. That's all. Day's coming, folks. We're going to see, we've always seen, how many times this year have we seen record high gold? How many times have we seen this year a 52-week high in silver? Quite often so far. And we're not even done with the month of March yet. What's the outlook for the rest of the year? Well, Goldman Sachs is predicting gold at $4,500 by the end of the year. Is that possible? Yeah, that's very possible. Very possible. Where does that put silver? Who knows? 50, 65 range? If it keeps going on the track, but silver could explode too. So again, if you folks have any questions for me, please reach out. My email is always in the description of every single video. And please, check out my good friend Sobriety in Silver YouTube channel. He's getting very close to 1,000 subscribers. Once he hits that 1,000 subscriber mark, he's giving away 2 ounces of silver. One of them he's giving away himself. One of them I sent him for a donation to. I sent him a Buffalo round for the giveaway. So there's 2 more ounces up for grabs. Let him know that you came from Coin Shop Chris. Help the good guy out. He talks about sobriety. Yes, he's had an alcoholic problem. He had a drug problem, but he's recovered from that. He's still recovering from that. He's been 3 years clean, folks. Show him some support. I support him 100%. I talk to this guy just on a daily basis. It's all about education, folks. Helping everybody out there as much as we can. That's what we're all trying to do, is help everybody to learn. Not trying to convince anybody. Thank you for watching. I'll be quiet now. Until tomorrow, Coin Shop Chris is out. I hope you guys have a good rest of your day. See you tomorrow.